Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you how to download Black Myth Wukong on PC and laptop. If you want to download the game in your PC and laptop, you need to follow some steps. First, go to the official website of Steam and log in. Once you have login on Steam, then search Black Myth Wukong in the search bar. Then you will see the game. While this is not a free game, if you want to download the game in your PC and laptop, you need to spend some amount of money because this is not a free game as of now. The developers of this game does not launch this game in a free way, so you cannot get this game in free of cost. If you want to get the game, simply click on add to cart option here. When you click on it, the payment options will appear in your screen. Complete the payment process, then you will get the access of install and download the game in your PC and laptop. Then install and download the game in your PC and laptop and enjoy the gaming. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.